na kumikinang? This is it! Ito na ang hinahanap niyo, the powerful trio for youthful health with collagen, vitamin C, and niacinamide.
She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
I guarantee na hindi lang babae, kundi pati lalaki ang pwede magkaroon ng maputi at kumikinang na balat. Hindi na kailangang pumastos ng iba't ibang pampaputi. Ito lang.
When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Tuloy-tuloy lang ang paggamit at magpapanatili ng epekto sa kaputian, kagandahan at younger looking.
Girl, you're amazing, just the way
Get yours
you
now!
are.